I would recommend this course without hesitation. Actually, this is probably the 6th course over the past 8 months that I've attended, and by far this is the most comprehensive, the one that went into the most depth, the course that allowed the most scanning time and the ability to practice with just world-renowned faculty instructors. So I would definitely recommend this course to anyone who is interested in MSK ultrasonography. The speaker presentations were absolutely fantastic. Just the collective experience and expertise that the faculty members and instructors provided was remarkable. So I am particularly satisfied with Cadaver Lab. We were able to scan multiple joints from upper and lower limbs to the axial spine as well as side joint. I'm glad that the faculty and instructors here was able to share their wealth of knowledge and expertise as well. So I definitely will be bringing what I learned here to my patients when I go back home.